Can you achieve financial independence while adopting minimalism? I think everyone's ultimate goal is to achieve financial independence, which can be achieved by investing or saving enough money so that we can live off the interest for the rest of our lives. Some of us also try to figure out how to retire in our 20s or 30s while we are still kind of pursuing some success. I think we are all familiar with minimalism and this entire notion of possessing less and living more simply. However, adopting minimalism while trying to achieve financial independence may be another case. So, in this video, we will talk about how to achieve financial independence and what steps are being taken to accomplish that while maintaining a simple lifestyle. How the two of those together may help you achieve your goals much more quickly and benefit you in your life. Let's talk about shifting your attention. Most of your life decisions will be based on the principles of financial independence, which are often structured on spending less, earning more, and investing. How can you spend less money and save more? That's absolutely something that we've been particularly focused on. How can you increase your income? Is it by receiving a promotion or beginning a side business? What actions can you take to increase your earning potential before investing? Then, how can you invest effectively and wisely? Building enough money to be financially independent and be able to do anything you want for the rest of your life is the overall purpose of it all. Most people take between 5, 10, or even 20 years to sort of get there. But considering some of the principles of minimalism and other ideologies, instead of attempting to build up enough money to never need to work again and be able to do anything for the rest of your lives, you should aim for the point where all of your expenses are paid and you are free to pursue any jobs or business you truly enjoy. You don't have to wait to become a millionaire or to have hundreds of thousands of dollars to be able to quit your job. Instead, focus on how you can really live a simple lifestyle and accomplish things that are very essential to you every day. How you can improve your life such that you don't need vacations from them and look forward to Monday mornings. How can you achieve a life where you can do something you genuinely like doing? Next, examine your spending. As mentioned earlier in the video, some of us want to retire early. But when people are overly preoccupied with the idea of retiring early, they cut everything out. There are stories of those people who take things extremely, like living in their living room, renting out every room in their home, or living only on $7,000 a year, which is absolutely nuts. They become so extreme that they cut out the excitement and enjoyment in their lives. They miss the present moment. When you sacrifice for the future, you miss out on the present. Although delayed gratification is nice, you don't have to be extreme with it. So instead of just looking at your expenses to how you can save more money, ask yourself which things or expenses are you really willing to spend money on that can truly improve your life and make you appreciate it. Most of the time, there are very few things that will truly give you happiness. Of course, you don't want to stop doing the things that do make you happy, such as traveling or whatever else it is for you. Avoid going too far in your pursuit of the goal and missing out on the trip. Next, make investing easier. Investing may seem scary and complicated, especially if you're starting from scratch and you generally don't know anything about finances. The approach in investing should be to truly concentrate on just one type of investment where you kind of become an expert in that area. For you, it may be house hacking and real estate, but for others, it may be something else. There are also people who choose simple methods to invest in index funds and similar things, while others choose the highly difficult, high-risk ways of investing. No matter what type of investment it is, putting an emphasis on that and reaching your goals can help you concentrate on what has to be done. For example, you want to focus on real estate investing, so you reduce your spending as much as possible to save money for that investment. Once you saved enough money, you invest it in real estate and make it your passive income. Having a passive income like that, and if possible, still continued spending less, you will be able to quit your job. But if you had invested all of your saved money in the stock market, you would likely still be working today. However, since you chose a different course of action, you will be able to generate greater income and return today, but things will change slightly in the future. Decide whatever path is best for you, then simply as much as you can once you've found it, so you can concentrate on being really efficient with your investment. We have made a video about house hacking, so you might want to check that out. And also, give this video a thumbs up. Now, Let's talk about the growth mindset. The minimalist lifestyle and being financially independent both seem to have this principle of the growth mindset. However, I think the main issue will arise when you are exclusively focusing on financial independence. You may be reading a ton of books, listening to podcasts, and watching YouTube videos about money management, while you learn about investing, finances, and other related topics quite thoroughly. You might not pay attention to other aspects of your life. You might forget to focus on your current full time job or doing your business. You might spend all of your free time reading books that you forget to spend with your family or your loved ones, or you cannot do your hobbies anymore. Basically, you got yourself devoured by the thought of living your best life in the future that you forgot your significant things in your life right now. So ask yourself, do you want to attain it in 5 years or are you content in 6 years? Actually, appreciating those 5 years a lot more. I believe that shifting our attention away from only our finances to other aspects of our life has been really significant. Being well balanced in all aspects of our lives means focusing on more than one thing and actually developing ourselves as people outside of money. That is something that is occasionally overlooked. Having more time. Once you truly begin to focus on what you have agreed on your commitments, promises, and what is important to you, you'll realize that you have more time to concentrate on what truly matters. Once you can identify those things that can make you happy in a day, let's say finishing your daily to do list can make you happy and you accomplish that each and every day, you will start to make significant progress and won't let the other 90% useless things to get in the way. You now have a ton more time to concentrate on the things that yield the highest returns after cutting out a lot of crap. You become much more effective over time, which allows you to accomplish your goals much more quickly. Autopilot. When you're truly into your money, you might want to be involved in every aspect of it. Make sure you are aware of everything that is happening and keep track of every dollar, recording information in spreadsheets and reviewing everything. But applying the minimalist mindset, try to make an effort to not overthink things and simply put everything autopilot. Create those core habits. Check up on those essential things sometimes, but don't become overly preoccupied with them that you continually check them and you put in more effort than necessary just to give the impression that you are productive. So put everything on autopilot. Your bills, morning routine, and if possible, your schedule. Organize everything in your life, including your investments, on autopilot. Therefore, you don't need to worry about all those truly essential things. You schedule them so they now occur automatically and you can keep growing without worrying excessively about the tiny things. So is it really possible to achieve financial independence while adopting minimalism? Yes, although it may take some time to apply those principles together. But sure enough, everything will be worth it in the end. That is it for this video. We hope you learned something from it, and if you want more content like this, make sure to check out our latest video or this playlist that we made. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This is the Financial Fortune, and thank you for watching.